Welcome to my channel, folks. It is your good girl, Nicolasa, and I am joining you with my latest Mercari purchase. I am so happy with this, you guys. I got it in today. This is the Bosphore. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, but probably not. I do have a little charm chain on here. This is my animal, my fur. It's real. I always have to have these real furs on here. I love them. They do something to my my psyche. I made this a little, well, I didn't make it, but I got this one a little smaller on here because this bag is not so big, so I didn't want this big giant ball to take away from the beauty of the bag. I paid very little for this, and the reason I paid very little for this is because she was majorly dirty. She has a few hairline cracks in her side, and all I did was literally clean her up. I wiped her down with my Huggies baby wipes, tried and true. I brass sewed the hardware. She's shiny as the day she was purchased. And so I even did the sides as well. For the dry vachetta, I applied some Phoebe's leather moisturizer to this. I did not clean it. I literally just applied some Phoebe's. As you can see, she looks gorgeous. The patina is beautiful. The only issue that I have is, or that this bag has, is that literally it's cracking in several spots around the trim. I'm okay with that. I'm going to send it into Louis Vuitton to be replaced. But before I do that, I'm going to enjoy it. I find that when I send stuff to Louis Vuitton, I end up not wanting to use it when it comes back, which is so weird to me. But I figured, you know what? Let's grab it for the price, under 200 bucks, literally. And let's go ahead and send it in at some point to Louis Vuitton. What I like to do is, I'm a vintage girl, so I like to grab stuff, get it replaced, and usually I do that in around January, February, sometime around there, so that I can have it for my birthday in June. So I'm always doing that. One other thing I want to note is, or bring to your attention is, you can see that there's some sort of darker spots on the print on this side. I'm assuming that is from color transfer, but I'm not 100% sure. But you can see it's kind of on the front panel here. If you look, I mean, this should be brighter, and you can especially see it here, whereas the rest of the LV is brighter. Looks like I've got something on there, right there. Yeah, I got to get that one and get off camera. It's funny because you can see stuff on camera that you can't see normally. Let's get inside to show you what I can fit inside a Bosphore. There's not too many videos on this, and that was kind of annoying to me because I was trying to do a little bit of research. I will say that this webbed shoulder strap is amazing. First of all, this is a man's bag, from what I understand, and it reminds me of my Congo, where I can use this freely. There's no vachetta. I'm not worried about grease or lotions and potions, because if anything, I will just wipe this down. I did not keep my Congo, which I'm kind of upset with myself for, so this was my way to replace it. Like I said, I did polish the brass on here. Vintage is my jam, simply because of the quality of the canvas and the quality of the hardware, which happens to be full brass. This particular bag is from 2006. As you can see, she is gorgeous. Now, let's get to the mentions, which, by the way, I did fix a little bit. So this part was sticking up. All I did was leather cement it so that it sticks down, at least until I get it fixed. So that's pretty much the extent of it. The vachetta right here, where the bag actually opens and closes, was too dry and it cracked. All right, that's the worst, because this side is actually a little bit better. This side did not have very much for me to do, and I know that that's an eyesore, but when you think about the integrity of the bag as a whole, that is something that can be fixed. Now, to be honest with you, This was way worse when I got it. I leather cemented it, and I didn't do anything crazy so that Louis Vuitton won't fix it. I just kind of put some glue on it, pushed it with my finger, and held it, and that's it. The rest of the leather is in great condition. She was dry. So what I did is I just, like I said, I just added some, that's just dryness. I mean, there is a little bit of dirt, but I was not going to clean this because she's so dry that she was cracking. Okay, I cleaned the back with my baby wipes. Then I followed with Phoebe leather conditioner because the canvas needs to be conditioned. If you know me, you know I condition my canvas as well as conditioning my leather because I believe that it keeps it soft enough to where it does not crack. Just my thoughts. All right, so on the interior, sorry about that. I had some, something in front. On the interior, smooth zipper. You have the inside, which is lined with that thick brown cotton. I have nothing in here except for my key fob. Okay, so closing that, and you guys know that my tripod has broken and I do need a new one. The flap here has a little bit more wear than I would like. I'm not concerned. Like I said, I'm going to get this replaced. I'm going to get the entire trim right here, this entire thing replaced. I'm going to keep my sides because I do not want them messing with that. I don't know if I'm going to get this done. I might, but she looks so doggone good. She looks so doggone good, doesn't she? Just if I can get that done. I know it's going to look a little odd in the beginning, but I'm not worried about that. All right, as we get on the inside, as you can see, I've already loaded her up. What I had to do is clean her out. She had all sorts of hair, not hair, I don't want to say it like it was dirty. It was a little dusty. So I had to wipe the inside out. I have the classic stuff in here. I did have to go down in my pouch to a mini pochette here because although a full-size wallet fits in here, what I was carrying for my cosmetic was a 23, no, an 18. 18 will fit in here, but it takes up most of the room, and I did not want that. So I have some lotion. I have my Juicy Couture. This is new, and it's something I'm trying. I usually have an LV wallet, but I love this little pink Juicy Couture, and I love the, this is what I love, this thing. So I'm like, all right, take it off and put it on your LV. Because I don't like plastic items, and this is plastic. So it's like I'm trying it out for now. I might very well get another zippy. All right. On the inside, you have the old cell phone pocket, and then you have a pocket here to which I have gum, some deodorant, and a nail file. Right here, I have my most used cosmetics because what I plan to do is I don't feel like to unzip that every time. So I'm going to keep my most used cosmetics here, which happen to be my mascara and some lip gloss. Very simple. I'm just going to keep that there. Okay. I have, that's just some shine. I always like to see what I can see on camera. This is the inside pocket. And right here, I just have my key clay. Okay, on the interior. Drop that in there with a little bit of coins inside. I cleaned this today too. I hadn't cleaned this since I got it in 2020. And guys, I didn't even realize how dirty it was. Even on the outside and especially on the inside where coins go, it needed to be wiped out, which is what I did. I wiped it out with my tried and true, my baby wipes, and then I followed with some Phoebes to keep it nice and clean. Keep your things up. Keep them up. Look at this beautiful trim right here. So if you look at the trim right here on this, look at how even and gorgeous she is. You guys, I'm going to say it again. I paid less than $200 for this. I mean, where? Okay, I love it. All I had to do was clean it up a little bit. Got some AirPods down in there, some EpiPens, and then of course you have your Creed. All right, if it will focus for me. There we go, a little bit. All right, and like I said, the tag, or the date code is right there. And if you can see it, it says 2006. I don't know if we're going to be able to see it on this camera, but it's in there. We're good. All right, I got a few Louis Vuitton perfumes down there too. Some samples. All right, sunglasses. And of course, my, cosmetic. So I pretty much have everything I need. I'm not worried about my sides. I glued these down with some feedings, like I said. This has 2 magnets, one right here, one right over here. Reminds me of the metal montante, and it snaps. All right, so we are golden, and I'm ready to carry her tomorrow into school. You guys rock. Have a great evening. Please like and subscribe. Comment down below. Let me know what you want to see me do. But this is my new Bosphore. Have a great day.